Hey guys, let's see how to reset a Tapo C211. Super simple. There are two ways to reset the camera. If the camera is far away, you can just reset using the app here, the Tapo app, or you can physically reset the camera, right? So the first way to do it is just come here with the Tapo app. You log into your account and you come here to the gear, and in this menu you just go all the way down and you see this option here to remove the camera. There's no reset option here, it's just remove, but it's the same of resetting the camera. Okay, so you just click here, remove camera, confirm, and you're gonna hear the camera saying that's being reset, right? So I would just confirm here with remove.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
So as you can hear, the camera is being reset. Let me just move the camera close here so you see better. There's the LED here that shows that the camera is being reset. It becomes red, right? Then the camera is going to boot up again and then turn horizontally with the pan movement and then vertically with the tilt movement, and you'll be ready for the new setup. You just need to wait for the camera to become, with the LED, to start flashing red and green, and you're good to go. Of course, if the camera is far away, you cannot see it, but you just need to wait a little bit, and then you can just insert the camera again here in the app. You see right now, it's doing the movement, tilt now, and then it stops and starts flashing red and green. So just come here to the app, to the plus signal to add the new device. And here you can just select indoor camera and look for the Tapo C211. There we go. And already has the red and green LED flashing, so I just tap on it. And here I need to select the signal that's coming from the camera. It's not the signal from your Wi-Fi router right now, right? It's just the signal from the camera. So just come here, look for the camera signal. Your phone is going to connect directly to the camera and let the camera know which Wi-Fi to connect to. So here just look for Tapo Cam. Sometimes it takes a while to refresh and show up here. So just keep refreshing. There we go. That's the Tapo Cam. Wait for it to connect. It becomes blue here, so it's ready to go. You just come back to the app. Wait for it to look and find the camera. Remember, that's connecting right now directly to the cell phone, as you can see it. And now you got the chance to let the camera know which Wi-Fi to connect to. You see here, my Wi-Fi, that's my router, and my password. So I just hit next, confirm here, next again.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. As you can see, the LED here changes. It's no longer red. Now it's steady green. That's what you want. And here you just need to wait for a while. Okay guys, in my case here, the pairing failed, right? So what I have to do here is just unplug the cable from the camera and plug back, right? So I'm going to unplug here for the power supply and plug it back. There we go. You see that it's red again. So it's red again here. So the camera is booting up and it's going to do the process again with the horizontal movement, which is the pan movement, and then the tilt with the vertical movement. And this time the camera probably will stay with the LED steady green, right? Because the camera was already connected to the Wi-Fi. And then it's just missing the pairing part, and you just need to go to the main menu here, and you can continue from the way, from the point that was stopped, right? So just wait for it to finish here. There we go. Let's just take a look at the LED. You see that's not flashing. It's red. It's green, sorry. Then I will just come here, exit, and you can refresh here. There we go. Then I click here on Tapo Camera, and then I continue from here. There we go. Then I can give the camera a name. Next. Office. Next. Select an icon here. Next again. And now it's complete. Sounds good. Okay? So here is just skip this one, dismiss. I'm not gonna use the 30-day trial right now. Hit OK here, and the camera is ready to go. I just need to insert the SD card. Remember that you have the SD card here on the bottom of the camera, just right here. Okay, and I'm good to go. Let me just put the camera back there again so you can see some motion out there. Just hit here, got it. Here's the firm update time. And the camera should be ready to go, and it's working, okay? So pretty simple. You see that sometimes you have some issues here during the setup, but you can just turn off the camera and turn on again, and it works, right? That's one way to reset the camera, and the other way is just come directly to the camera here. And let me just bring the camera here and show you that I have a reset button just right here, okay? You just move the lens up, and here you're gonna find a reset button. See it? You can use your fingernails or some tool to just hit here, to reach here and reset the camera. So just press and hold, observe the LED. It's going to start flashing.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
There we go. Rebooting the camera again. And then you start the setup process all over again, okay? Again, guys, it fails, you just need to try again, and it works, right? Sometimes technology, it's not that precise, so some things happen, and then you just need to set it up again. Right now, it's just doing the test horizontally and vertically, and you just need to wait for the red and green to flash again. Just open the app one more time here. And you see that disappears from here because the camera is no longer available. And you see here that's flashing right now, red and green. One more time, add a new device, look for indoor camera, Tapo C211. Connect directly to the camera one more time. Remember here that you need to wait for the camera show up. It's Tapo something. Takes a while. As long as you have the flashing red and green there, it should show up here. Not yet. There we go. Tapo can. It becomes blue here. Just come back to the app. Wait for it to find the camera. As you can see, it finds the camera and connects directly to the camera. And then in the next step, just rescan the networks here. Remember that you need to connect to the 2.4 gigahertz network. If that shows up, you just need to rescan the network and select your Wi-Fi and the password for the router. Now the cell phone is going to give the information to the camera. Next.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. It's pairing the device again. Remember the last time we had an issue here when the camera is trying to pair. But now it's different. It's working better now. You see it? Just name the camera. Next. Select the location. Next again. Select an icon. Next. And it's complete. Sounds good. Again, dismiss here the 30-day trial. Got it. And the SD card is there already. Got it. Firm update. Got it. Okay, so ready to go. One more time. I just put the camera back there. I like to put it there so you can see some motion. There we go. Wait for it to load. And it's working. Let me just test the camera here with the pan movement. A little bit of tilt. And works pretty fine, right? So that's the way you can reset your Tapo C211. I hope that helps. Give your a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.